In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Shopify subscription. Let's get started. So in order to do that, just head over in here on your settings. Then once you have clicked on your settings, you should be able to see in here your actual setting. So from in here, you can see your plan. So click on plan right here. And then from here, you can see that you have here a plan. So you can actually click on the cancel right here. So once you click on cancel, you can select the reason why you're canceling. So for me, I'll just choose this. I was just set in Shopify. And then click on continue. After that, when you try to cancel your Shopify subscription, it will also deactivate your store. So take note of that. So let's click on this deactivate store right here. Then once you have deactivated the store that we have created, as you can see, the access for our account and our store has been deactivated as well at our Shopify. So in here, once we have canceled it out, we can now see that we have now been logged out on Shopify. We have now 2 years to get the stored information for our Shopify right here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.